In this video, I'm going to talk about VerbaGPT in Taurus mode. And, it comes in two different modes. There's Virgo, where we can do, I would say, quick analysis. We can connect an online data source, Postgres, MySQL, Microsoft SQL, or Snowflake. But we can also upload databases like, I don't know, CSV, text files, JSON, etc., SQLite, whatever you want, and it'll uh, and you can ask a question and it'll analyze and give you an answer. But it's not the frontier models. So, for example, right now it's configured to run Grok fast on it. But Taurus gets deeper. So the idea of a Taurus is that it has access to your local files as well. So, you put something on your local, right now on my laptop, I can put in a file and it'll analyze it, and it's much more powerful. It uses the frontier models, it uses long-running agentic loops and so forth. Some of the ones I've ran have run for 20 minutes, half an hour. I don't want to make a video that long. I want to make a very quick video, so I'm going to pick one of the, um, I don't know, maybe this one. So query sample Chinook DB. So there's like a database that I have locally, and calculate the total spending per customer, da 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 da. I'm just going to accept and send that and ask that question. Um, just to kind of show you how Taurus works. So right now it's using Claude Opus, um, and it's going to try and answer the question. And it takes a little while. There's so many different elements that go into Taurus that I will explore in future videos. But in this quick one, I kind of, excuse me, just wanted to show, how it works in general. So here's running some Python code, and there we have it. So it's showing what the lifetime, the total spending of the customers are. Um, if I want to look at the code, I can do that here. So I can kind of expand some of these code windows to see what code it ran, and and look at all that. Um, I can also do a deep review. Maybe I'll do that in a future video, kind of show how we can review the numbers, or maybe I'll do that real quick, like just to kind of show you how it works. So here I can look, let's say run an analysis and I want to like check it. I can come in and I can add some notes as well. Like if I want the review to focus on a particular customer or something, I can add that here, or I can just run the review as well, which will try to run some like a general sort of a review. It'll try and recreate, in some cases, the quantities to make sure that they're accurate. It's surprising. Initially Deep Review was an experiment, but I'm definitely it's now definitely a feature because it finds mistakes now. I don't know if it's going to find mistakes here, but in more complicated analysis, it regularly finds like, oh, this thing wasn't right, either in the visuals that were produced or in the narrative that was done, and it can do that and fix them, and it finds stuff that even I didn't find when I tried to review the output. So it's definitely very useful, um, from that perspective, and I'll show you in a future video how you can automate this review as well. So in other words, you can set up your analysis to run, and then do the review as well, so that when you come back, everything is done. Uh, so here it didn't find any issues, didn't have any corrections, it checked different things, it kind of tells you what it did. So anyway, so in this quick video, I just wanted to show you how Taurus works. It's incredibly powerful. I'll be making future videos on, and going deeper and deeper into the types of things you can do with Taurus. If you have any thoughts, comments, definitely leave them below. I will address them in future videos. I do read all of them. So, but yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.